survey revealing how men feel about their physical and mental health.
You see me like shaking my head at you
I know,
already.
I know. Oh, men are
man.
terrible about this.
They're so bad, right?
Yes.
They don't acknowledge problems. Many are reluctant to seek help. So we're bringing in Dr. Frank McGeorge with a closer look at the issues that are really concerning.
Also notably a man.
And he's a man too,
Yes,
but I
yes.
think he would pay attention, right? I mean,
I pay a little bit of attention, Karen and Evan, but I'm frankly no different than many other men. So the researchers surveyed 1,000 adult men across the country, and they uncovered serious disconnects with what men believe about their health and their actual habits.
The Cleveland Clinic's annual Mention It survey found 81% of men believe they're living a healthy lifestyle, even though almost half are not getting a yearly physical or don't prioritize their mental health and are not eating a healthy diet.
I think that sometimes men's perception of how healthy they are or how healthy their behaviors are might not necessarily be aligned with what they're really doing.
Dr. Peter Bayich says they also discovered about a quarter of men watch TV for more than 5 hours a day on average and scroll through social media for more than 2 hours daily.
One of the things that I emphasize to my patients is how their day-to-day decisions, are going to be reflected in their physical health.
The survey finds 65% of men are hesitant to seek professional help for issues like stress, anxiety, and depression.
So it's something that really needs to be put out in the open and discussed with their own individual support systems. And also it's important to engage with a mental health provider.
Men were also reluctant to address issues with sexual health. 1 in 3 men admit to experiencing problems having sex, but fewer than half have sought help.
Sexual dysfunction is one of the most common issues that men can get, particularly with age. And oftentimes it's associated with other health issues.
Now, the goal of the survey is to encourage men to be more proactive about their health, and that includes getting regular screenings to help prevent health problems or identify any issues in their earliest stages.
And you and other doctors have told us that, stress can be even deadly. It's really hard on our health. And there were findings about stress in this study as well.
Absolutely. And, money and finances were the #1 source of stress for men in the survey. Probably no surprise there. I should point out, while cost is obviously a concern in taking care of ourselves, not taking care of ourselves can be very costly as well, especially when small problems become big problems.
Right. Yeah.
And I think that's where having a woman in your life is helpful, because they encourage you.
Encourage you kindly.
Yes.
To
Nudge, a nudge, yes.
And not be so cheap about
Calm
your
down.
health.
Right.
Gentle redirection on what you're doing. All right, Doc.